Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the feature is available on your PC. Some builds show live captions only after updates. Once done, press Start and type Live Captions or open Settings right arrow Accessibility. This takes you directly to the control. You do not need admin rights, but make sure any caption overlay is visible on screen. Now tap the Live Captions entry so you can see the on/OFF toggle. We'll flip it next to stop captions from appearing during media playback and meetings. Now switch the Live Captions toggle to off to remove the system overlay. You'll immediately see captions disappear. If the feature persists, use the shortcut Windows plus Control plus L to force a toggle. This helps when the panel is pinned. Also, check apps and browser extensions that provide captions. Disable their caption options because they run outside system settings. Once you've turned off each source, close or unpin the caption window so it doesn't reappear after app restarts or media playback. Finish by signing out or restarting your PC to ensure the change applies across all apps. Sometimes overlays linger until a session reset. If captions still reappear, open Task Manager right arrow Startup and disable any caption or accessibility helper that auto-launches. Make sure your OS is up to date, and if necessary, reinstall the accessibility component through optional features. Quick tip: if captions return after updates, check the accessibility shortcut settings and remove the keyboard toggle so you don't accidentally re-enable them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.